Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for You. This morning I wanted to take a look at the system variable in VA Smalltalk because it's a convenient place where a lot of system level APIs are stored. And if you look at the inspector on system, you'll find out that it's just an instance of EmSystemConfiguration, sort of the sole instance. So if you go over here and take a look at this class, you'll find there are a whole bunch of API points. You can go in here and do things like get the settings that come from your INI file. You can go here and exit the image. You can save the image. And I've got some of these here. So if I do system settings, you'll find that this is going to map right over to the settings that are in my INI file, the abt.ini file. If I go ahead and do this, system confirm, I can get a simple confirmer. So if you need to just pop up a little yes-no dialog, you can do that here. Inspect the result. You see that I will get a Boolean, so I'll say no, and you get false, just as you would expect. And I can also query the image version. So if you need to have VA code that is going to conform across various versions of VA, you can query the system as to its version and get the information. Now this is going to be some number that is not going to conform to 8.1, 8.5, whatever. It's going to be this kind of one-up number. You need to conform that yourself based on the versions you have installed and then go ahead and figure out what that means. And you can get the same thing for the VM. You can go down here and ask for the VM version, and here it's going to tell me that it is 4.0 NC, so put out on January 31st, 2012, so you can get that information, and again, make changes based on any changes instantiations may have made at that level. And you can save the image, which I'm not going to do right now, but just to kind of wrap up on this, I will exit the image. So if I wanted to use these APIs, I again come in here, and I can exit out just by doing this, and boom, gone. So you can do all of this programmatically. You don't, of course, have to use the menus, and you can make these kinds of system-level queries using EmSystemConfiguration. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.